start and end of a string. str dot starts with substring checks whether a string starting with a specified substring or not. Return value is true or false. str dot ends with substring checks whether a string is ending with a particular substring or not. Returns true or false. Here our str is, this is Python. str dot starts with this will return true because the starting value is this. str dot ends with Python also returns true. str dot ends with some other value, give this, will return false. Sort. String is an immutable data type, so in place sorting പറ്റില്ല. Sorted function use ചെയ്ത് sort ചെയ്യാം. Will sort the string characters and return it as a list without changing the original string. S is equal to Python. Sorted of S will return a list that contains the characters in sorted order. അത് സേവ് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ ഒരു വേരിയബിൾ ഈക്വൽ ടു sorted of S എന്ന് കൊടുക്കാം. Still S will be Python. No change in that variable.